Today's video we are trying out the Schwarzkopf Gliss Repair Liquid Silk Shampoo and Conditioner. It is for brittle, dull hair. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video we are going to be trying out a shampoo and conditioner. So the set we are going to be trying out is this one right here. So this is by Schwarzkopf and it is the Gliss Hair Repair Liquid Silk, I can't talk today, Shine Shampoo and Conditioner. So it just says on here, ceramides and silk, awesome, fluidity and suppleness for brittle, dull hair. And the conditioner just says compatibility, fluidity and suppleness for, again, brittle and dull hair. Yeah, cool. Let's have a little sniff test. Smells nice and fresh. Nearly got that up my nose there. Yeah, to be totally honest, what made me pick these up was the packaging. I am a sucker for pink packaging. I'm hoping, obviously, as well, that these work wonders on my hair. I think with having bleached hair, obviously it makes it damaged, which makes it brittle. And I always find on bleached blonde hair, on my bleached blonde hair anyway, it's harder to get a shine. Not impossible, but it is more difficult to get a shine than on my natural dark hair. But yes, let's head into the shower and test these out. And then yeah, we can get out, style the hair and talk about the results. So the instructions on the shampoo and the conditioner are so basic. On both the bottles they basically say the same: apply gently into wet hair and rinse thoroughly and use regularly. With the shampoo, I left it on my hair for about 5 minutes. Basically I conditioned my hair and then washed my body, shaved my legs, underarms and so on. So time to dry the hair. Let's have a little look-see. Okay, I was expecting it to be a little more tangly if I'm honest, but my fingers have slid straight through nicely. As per usual, I am going to be using my Tresemme heat protectant and I'm going to be using my One Step Revlon styler. Let's get to styling and see what it's like when it's all dry. The hair suffers from unevenness in the hair shaft, making it brittle and dull. It requires intensive nourishment care to make the hair smooth and silky. Gliss Liquid Silk offers, on the shampoo it says extraordinary soft hair and natural shine. It says the same on the conditioner, but it also says on there perfect compatibility. All Gliss formulas are based on advanced hair actives and nature's treasures, tailored for specific hair needs to provide hair repair and visibly improved hair quality. For these liquid silk pair, it says to specifically serve the needs of brittle, dull hair. The liquid silk range, developed with ceramides in silk, smooths the hair surface and intensifies its natural shine, leaving it glossy and full of suppleness. So there we go, all done. I must say I'm pleasantly surprised. I don't know why, but I wasn't expecting much from the shampoo and conditioner. There's not much volume to my hair, which normally I do like a bit of volume, but it feels really nice. It does actually feel like it has a slight coating of something on there, but it's not like heavy, it's not weighing my hair down, but I can feel something on my hair. But whatever, it makes it feel nice and soft. Yeah. But that's what it looks like. Yeah, overall this does get a massive thumbs up from me. I would definitely repurchase this again. And when I was in the shower massaging it in, the shampoo that is, really nice lather on it. The conditioner felt absolutely gorgeous on my hair, and when I rinsed the conditioner out, oh my god, my hair felt like soft like butter type of thing. But yeah, not bad. The only thing I would like to see different would be a bit more volume in there. Maybe I'll just have to, someone's slamming doors, maybe I'll just have to keep trying to style it differently. But yeah, What do you think? Have you tried this before? If you are interested in trying these out for yourself, I will link them down below in the information box and the comment box for you. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.